Hello, hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's me, Satyashri, and here is my sister, Sain. So, we have come to our hometown. So, today I'm going to show you the village and how it's look. So, I will be showing you, not village, it's a small pond. You guys can see I'm going to that side. You will be more comfortable to see. Here it is. It's a very quiet, peace place. So as you can see, here are many trees. Many trees. We can't go that side because there are many trees. So I will be showing here only. Only here like that. Hi.
Hi.
So here it's look like. Showing you like that. There are many trees, as you can this side also you can see, this side also, here is also trees, and here is a small type of pond, like small, not it's big, but and here are also trees, and here we are. I will be showing you more and more things. Let's see, okay? So as you can see it, I am showing you in the back camera. You can see it. It's a very quiet and peace place. Here is nothing like that. And here are many of the trees that I like. Okay? Yes. Come here. Sign. Listen, here, come. As you all can see this. Okay. So now this is a small type of vlog, not a vlog, but small video. I have shown you. So this is for today. We will be meeting in the next video. So bye. Tell bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Bye.